just don't get around.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making monster cookies. So you will need 1 cup of flour, and all of the ingredients will be down in the description box down below. So you will need 1 1/4 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. You're going to mix that with the flour. You will need 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and you'll just mix it up together and set aside. In a smaller container, you want to mix the butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar. So you will need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Mix everything all up together. Alright, so you're going to add in vanilla, an egg, and peanut butter. So your peanut butter you're going to add in is 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, and then you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So using the creamy peanut butter makes it look just like this. So you want to measure out 3/4 cup of M&Ms and 1/2 cup of chocolate chip morsels into a smaller little container, and you will add those to the mixture once it's all done. So add in your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, or you can add your wet into the dry, totally up to you. I just used a spatula to scrape all of the wet ingredients into the dry. So just mix everything together, add in your M&Ms and chocolate chip morsels. You will just basically be folding them in little by little.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
Line your pan with some aluminum foil. Alright, so you guys are going to want to scoop some of the cookie mix onto a pan. You can either decide to make them a little larger or you can make them smaller. If making smaller, you're going to make about 40 to 45 cookies. If going a little bigger, you'll make about 20 to 25 cookies. Make sure your oven is turned on to 350 degrees, and these are going to bake for 10 minutes. So one good tip that I would give you guys is use parchment paper or wax paper on a flat surface to put your cookies on, just to allow them to cool down and harden a little bit. Leaving them in for 10 minutes is going to make these very soft, but you want to make sure that they stick together before just picking them up and transferring them to the wax paper. This is the part where I tell you to go get pen and paper, look down in the description box, and write this recipe down and try it at home for yourself. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me make monster cookies, and I hope that you guys try it soon. If you do, let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.